gently flow. Shiny toes and tickly backs, clean the spots your mirror lacks. Scrub the day off, rinse your face, now you shine in every place. Rub a roll, it's bath patrol. Catch those bubbles, that's your goal. Wash up high, then wash down low. Watch the water gently flow. Splash the dirt and grime away.